Okay, yeah, avoid that stuff. Like just get a little gas. You can go a little faster. Okay, now just get ready to stop at this speed. But I mean, just kind of to slow down over it. Yeah. Okay, and now just get used to the throttle. Okay, that's good. Okay, now when we get up to the stop sign, we're gonna stop and we're gonna put the signal on, the left turn signal. Just go up to it. I'll tell you when to stop. Just go. Okay, stop right now. Move up a little bit more because you want to be able to see. This is a bad because they got the trees and stuff. Okay, I don't see no car. Okay, now put your signal on. Okay, now let's make the left turn. Your little gas. Go ahead. All right, now get straight. Okay, now give a little more gas. Go. Not too much. Just kind of this. This thing is kind of fast, but okay. Go ahead. A little more gas.
That's the problem I was having last time. I don't know, like.
All right, now kind of slow up a little bit. Cause see that right there, they supposed to yield, but you can't trust people. Okay, you go ahead. What you want to do when you're driving like this? Just when it's yield sign for them, you just kind of just glance because people run them yield signs all the time. So you want to make